Hello! We're going to go hiking and it's very foggy. I don't know if they can see it, but it's very foggy. I'm gripping on as hard as I can.
Did it rain last night?
It's very foggy.
I was washed quite a bit of sand.
Hello!
This morning, so you didn't know what time you were going. I thought I'll take my car just across the road to this place where I'm a bit washed.
Well, we should just say it.
I'm happy to do it in the morning.
You have reached your destination.
We're nearly there. Okay, we're gonna meet you when we get into the forest. Bye bye! Okay, we're here, but we're not in the forest, yes, but it's a very, very nice place and I remember this place. I do. I had a dream about this place and there was like a fun fair over there. This place is very cool, recommended. Oh, ow. I don't know how the flowers are living because it's so cold.
Looks like the entrance is over there. It's still quite big.
I thought no entrance. I thought at the back.
Oh, I did. It's not that they're all looking that way.
Oh, okay. Maybe they changed.
I thought it was that way.
Yeah, same.
Doesn't matter wherever you park, we've got to walk. It does look like they're walking that way
Change
as
the
well.
entrance then, maybe. Oh yeah.
It's nice because the park. Yeah, we're here in. Andito na tayo sa. It's sweet.
That time when me and like George and stuff went on this like really long.
Ay, hindi pa na ano. Yung mga bulaklak hindi pa sila ano. Welcome Penswick Rococo Garden. Magandang umaga mga kabarkads. Guys, magandang umaga. Tingnan natin, bisita tayo ng ano. Dito tayo sa ano. Yan. So, yan po. Tingnan na po tayo. Tingnan niyo po yung mga ano, medyo pagi, medyo medyo mataas tayong lugar kaya medyo pagi. Ewan ko bakit kahapon maganda ang panahon eh. Tingnan mo yung mga puno, maganda, lalaki. Yan. Laki ng puno. So, ito na tayo. Papasok na tayo sa ano. Ito po yung entrance. Papasok na tayo at ayan, Penswick Rococo. Yan po ang opening hours niya ay 10 to 5. The Rococo Garden, and that's the entrance. Wow. Welcome to the last surviving Rococo Garden in England. Yan po. Yan. Yan, done muna tayo, magpa-check muna tayo. Ayan po, papacheck na muna tayo. Tingnan natin yung mga garden nila, mga halaman. Hindi pa masyadong ano kasi medyo malamig pa siya eh. Paano pa lang. Kaya nag-uumpisa pa lang. Pero alam ko pwedeng bilhin to eh. Pag gusto mong bumili ng halaman. Yan yung mga halaman nila. Pwede kang bumili. Oh. Yan oh. Ang ganda ng yan. Malamig pa eh, kaya ano, hindi pa na masyadong ano, yung mga buds bang tawag dyan, bago pa lang. Yan, marami nang bumili guys. Yan yung mga ano, ayan, iwan ko lang kung anong mga pangalan ng mga ano na to. Oh. Ang ganda no, ito oh. Iba-ibang ano halaman siya. Yan. Yan, mulaklak na nga talaga siya oh. Oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Isang klase siya sigurong halaman, kaso yung ko pangalan, yung pangalan niya. Oh. Oh. Ang ganda. I'm coming. Yeah. Wait. Okay. I'm going. Yan, kapihan. May kapihan. May kubul. Ganda ng kubul. Oh. Garden table and yun, mga iba-ibang klase ng ano, yan yung mga iba-ibang klase ng daffodil. Matitignan natin. Okay.
And then carry on, but not see the
It's
garden.
hurting my brain.
And people do that.
It's hurting
Ano?
my brain. This is a map of all of the places.
Oh. Wow.
Wait, let me see on the map. Is it here?
Wow, ito po puro mga bulaklak pa lang siya, wala pang mga ano. Ano, tingnan mo yung kahoy oh, grabe, laki. Yan po, bababa tayo dyan. Yan o, iba-ibang klaseng ano, iba-ibang klaseng hala na ano, bulaklak. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda. Ano lang siya pa yung mga bulaklak parang ligaw lang na bulaklak. Oh. Kung titignan mo, parang ano lang siya. Yan, may ano pa oh. May bees pa. May maliit na naligaw na ano. Hindi ko alam kung itinanim yan o ano eh. Pero alam ko ano lang siya talaga dyan. Dati na siya. Tapos pag ganitong buwan dumarating, sumisibol sila, tapos yun. Ang ganda eh. Ayun, may nakabitid, ewan ko kung ano yung nakabitid na yan. Laki ng puno. Oh, pero wala pa siyang dahon, pero nagkakaroon na siya ng buds. Ayan. Yan po yung ano Mga bulaklak din yan, oh. Oh. Oh.
Mommy's telling us to go now.
Bulaklak din yan, eh.
You?
No, no, no.
Yeah, I will do. But maybe from down there. Yeah, this bank's really good, isn't it?
Yung buwan natin talagang buwan ng ano eh, ng bulaklak. Ay, bawal po dumaan doon, no. Bawal pang dumaan. Ganda sana, oh. Diba, guys? Yan po. Ang ganda. Yan. Guys, yung ano natin. Ganda ng mga bulaklak, eh. Oh. Lalo na ito kung mayroon ng mga dahon yung mga puno. Guys, maganda dito. Kaso ano pa eh, taglamig pa talaga eh, kaya ano muna. Yan, tingnan mo, oh. Paggupit talaga nila sa halaman. Ganda. Oh. Nakakatanggal din ng ano, stress pag pasyal ka sa mga halaman tapos nakakita ka ng bulaklak ba. Mga puno, oh. Dito tayo sa kung makikita nyo yung mga puno, oh, lalaking puno yan. Yun. Ganda, oh. Talagang makita mo talaga yung mga naalagaan talaga. Hindi ko lang alam kung tinatanim. Nasabi ko na naman kanina kung tinatanim, pero hindi ko masabi. Yan. Yan yung ano. Iwan ko kung ano to, yung mga puno. Mga puno na yan. Kung magkaroon ng ano, parang anong tawag doon, mga puno na yan, namumunga yata yan eh. Hindi ko alam kung mansanas o piras. Kung mainit sana, maaraw lang. Kaso medyo umulan kagabi, tapos yun, bumalik yung lamig. bumalik yung lamig niya, kaya ano, yan guys, nakikita nyo puro bulaklak talaga. Nakikita nyo yung lupa medyo basa. Oh. Medyo basa yung lupa natin. Ilang bulaklak naman, oh. Oh. Ang klaseng bulaklak. Ewan ko kung anong bulaklak siya. Umulan kasi, oh. Kaya ano, tumba na yung mabigat na yung ano, mabigat na yung bulaklak. Ibang klase bulaklak din to. Ang ganda. Ang lilit na bulaklak, ang cute eh. Oh. Ibang klaseng ano yun, oh. Ibang klaseng bulaklak. Umulan kasi, kaya ano, nakatungo na yung bulaklak. Mabigat. Nabigatan na yung ano. Oh. May dahon ng konting lumalabas. Ate, gusto mo daw maglakad dito? We're going in. Atis, takot siya. Takot siyang ano, pumasok. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Tara, labas tayo. Oh.
Go. Good go. Go get Nia. Go get Nia.
Yan. Ganda ng ano nila, oh, pagkakagupit. Ganda ng gupit. Yan yung mga bilib ko, yung mga puno lalaki talaga eh. No? Oh. Nakikita mo yung puno nila, lalaki. Oh. Yung iba pinutol na rin, no? Pinutol na rin yung iba. Punta tayo kay ate. Puntahan natin dito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Wala pa eh, hindi pa wala pang mga tanim. Kaya puro kalbo pa yung mga Oh. Pag summer na yan, pag tinamnan yan, lalong maganda na. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Oh, mayroon parang kuweba doon. Oh. Yan guys, oh. Makikita nyo yung buds ng rose yan, rose. Diba? Ang lalaki ng lalaki bulaklak siguro nito. Oh, yan oh. Pag namulaklak yan, maradong lalaki. Yan oh. Parang patay na yung halaman pero malamig kasi kaya ganyan pa sila. Oh, may oh. Ano yan? In the loving memory. Mga nag-donate siguro ng mga halaman. Ano kaya yan? Oh? Ano kaya yan? Tanim na yan. Tanim na yan eh. Oh. How can you do that? Manonood pa ako eh. Ayun. Akala mo na eh. Akyat tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Gandahan ako dito guys oh. Ang ganda. Puti yung bulaklak niya. Ang ganda siya oh. No? Ganda eh oh. Meron maliit na ano, parang wishing well. Ayun, may maagos na tubig. No? Yan, kung makikita niyo yung mga puno. Diyan din ako nabibilib eh. Ang lalaki ng puno talagang ano. Ayan yung saan nanggagaling yung yung tubig. Oh. Parang bukal siguro yan. Ibang kulay naman. Iyo. Puti na may dilaw. Makita mo yung laki ng puno. Oh. Ang laki. May maliit na Op. Grabe, laki oh. Oh. Grabe. Oh.
Addie will save you. You ready?
Iyon ko oh, sorry. Lawak ko. Pastulan ng tupa, kaso walang tupa. Baka siguro o kabayo, gano'n. Lagyan pulong to. Oh. Grabe oh. Oh. Alam mong puno yan. Grabe. Oh. Oh. Small lake. I don't know what they call that. Swan. Pero wala naman swam. Ayan mo. Ano kaya to? Oh my god. Kaya akong pumasok. Oh my god. Tingnan mo yung mga puno. Talagang
Done. Wait, how do I get down?
in my hand.
No, it's okay. Mommy, I did it.
Parang dalawang tao niya yakap sa puno. Laki eh. Oh. Oh.
Auntie, can you follow me? Dad, can you follow me?
Okay.
Got a photo
Okay.
all together, except for me, because I'm gonna take the photo.
Okay. Lakas na ano.
Take a photo. Guys, I'm gonna take a photo of you inside there.
Okay. Oh God.
There's
Why,
six
Nana? Why are
seats
we?
in there. There's seats in there.
There's six. I think it's like reverse, isn't it? You have to take photos of the children. Did you hear that? Your mum said, "You've got many of them children like Dyson."
People carrying
Walking? Oh, absolutely. I love walking. My knees don't, but I love it. They're all right. They're not too bad.
There's a classroom. No, I want to go to the beach.
You should be looking at the map, Daniel, and telling us where to go.
Masarap din maglakad-lakad minsan eh. Pag ganito, nakakatanggal lang pagod, nakakatanggal lang stress, 'di ba? Oh, kung mahilig kang parang ano bang tawag dito? Locks hikings ba? Mga guys, hindi ko alam. Bahala na kayo mag-correct kung mali ako o tama. Oh, nasa gitna, parang nasa gitna ka na ng bundok ba? Oh. Oh, kung makikita mo yung mga ano talagang tignan mo to, oh, yung kahoy. Ang ganda. Kung titignan mo nga naman, oh, iba yung hugis niya, oh. Lapitan natin. Oh, yung balat. Oh. Tsaka ito. Tsaka yung balat niya, no. Oh. Magkaiba. Oh. Enjoy ang mga bata pag ganito, di ba? Oh. Nag-i-enjoy.
Can I go up there and take a picture?
Iba rin yung hugis niya, oh.
She's going up there.
What did she say? Where are you going?
She's going up there to take a photo of us down here. Oh, I was watching this comedy yesterday. Oh, it's not old comedy actually. It's quite poignant as well.
Diba? Maririnig, may malilit na humuhuning ibon eh, no?
I did. Story time.
He said, so what she does, her daughter brings them in all the time for her. And so she sucked the chocolate.
Grabe, oh. Talagang
They look like gold. No, I think
These are fake.
they're fake. Dan, you're gonna break it, darling. Be careful.
Mom.
I'm sorry.
Let's tell you about the owl. Where's the owl?
The owl has been good.
oh, there!
Hold on, let me take a photo of the owl.
Grabe,
Oh,
ang
so he
puno.
was 70. He was 77. But
To the beach.
Did you took photo?
no, I think you're
Wow.
No, I didn't. I didn't. I'll take it.
I don't have a phone, so you guys take a photo.
Concord. What is Concord? I don't know.
Concord are like spiky, rat. They're like acorns inside.
Where are we going, Ading? Oh.
Oh, you carry on.
that actual lock.
Oh, scary for the It looks like it's some sort of willow.
They don't have paper tree here.
I thought that because
No.
these things have catkins. What willow? Catkin. Ooh, the phone tooth.
It must be very warm.
I think it's warmer. I think it's warmer in here. More protected.
Ito na yung mga pinutol-putol na kahoy noon, no?
Last night, yeah.
Oo.
Ahoy. What's where you going?
Ang daming nasasayang na kahoy, no? Panggatong, pero hindi katulad sa atin na basta-basta mamulot ka lang ng ng kahoy na igagatong. Ayan, oh, dami, oh. Nakita niyo yung kanina. Putol-putol na kahoy, hindi pwedeng pulutin yan. Kuhanin mo at igatong mo sa inyo, hindi pwede. Bawal dito. Ang ganda na pagkakagawa ng kabuti. Ganda pagkakagawa ng kabuti, oh. Ay! Oh. Small castle. Ano ba ang Tagalog ng castle? Castle.
We're gonna raid your house.
Ano nga ba ang Tagalog? Hi. How can you go up there? Oh. Oh. Yun, akala ko paano sila umakyat doon pala sa gilid.
You want to come up here, guys?
No, thank you.
Alright, guys, you're coming up with me. Here's a dungeon that leads to downstairs. And this is a window. With Dad down there. With the ugly sister. Now we're going down, down, down. Now we get to the actual flipping house. There's windows over here, window over here, and door over here.
Hi.
Ha.
Bigay mo na sa akin.
Dad, here's your phone. Mom,
Toast your marshmallows.
careful. Yeah.
You nearly bumped my drink. I'm gonna get burned.
Look, marshmallows. Here's seats.
Dan, akan na. Sir?
Hi, Mummy.
You're so heavy.
This is so fun.
Let me get on.
No, wait.
Sading naman.
No, wait, Annie, move. You're stopping me.
Ate. Sading naman.
No, wait.
My turn.
This is so much. Can I go in one more time and Dad push me?
No.
Please, Mama. Mum, can I go in one more time and Dad push me? Because I can't push me.
Okay, last one.
Dad, after when you push at it.
Oh. Oh,
So
well,
I'm allowed in.
I really booked you. There's
yeah.
year 6, I
Oh,
think,
I
because
said,
of the production.
well, I said to Mrs. Notes, I said, as a lot of the year 6s are going to be busy with production, do you want to open it up to year 4 as well? But I didn't know that she would exclude year 6.
Yeah, because maybe of the production.
Yeah, so maybe
she,
she just thought, yeah, that is a good idea.
Thank you for coming.